Hi, so in today's video we are going to replace the battery of Omen gaming laptop Omen 15 ek100. This is the model number of this laptop. This laptop is um, Ryzen 7 with 1660 Ti NVIDIA graphics card inside, and it looks like this. AMD graphics and NVIDIA processor. This laptop came in Intel processor as well, 10 generation or 9 generation, same model. Okay, first of all we will need to open the screws of this laptop. The back cover first we will need to open. So there are some screws we need to open. This. There are 4 in the front and 4 on the back. Open all of them. Okay, and maybe in your case there is one warranty sticker, so check behind that sticker, maybe there is a screw as well. Okay, so after opening all the screws you will need one tool to open it. Any thin object that you can put inside this here and then open. In my case it is already open, so I will open it like this. Okay, this is the back cover. So this is the laptop from inside. Let's clean it a bit. Okay, in your case maybe there is one battery already. Okay, so remove the battery screws first. Before doing that, remove the connector of the battery. This is the connector of the battery. Remove it and then remove the battery, and then you can add the new battery. The new battery today just arrived from China, so I will show you the model number of the battery as well, so that if you want to order, and this is the model number ST06XL. Okay, so this is the battery SD06XL for HP Omen ek100. Okay, just place this to its location. Nice and easy. Now attach the battery first here. Before doing that, let's remove the SSD because battery is long, so it is going under it. Attach the battery first so that And be careful while doing this because these connectors are very fragile. And if you will do it with force, they will get broken. Let's zoom it so that you can see it clearly. The wire of the battery is very hard. It is not moving with the movements. So done. Now put the screws. Some areas of the screws are very long. We will need long screws. Some are very small. So be careful because if you will put long screw in a shallow socket, then it will break the body of the laptop. Okay, now battery is secure and fixed. Now put the SSD back. Good. Okay, now let's close the back cover. We will not be closing the back cover right now because we will check the display. Charger. Connect the charger. Turn on the laptop. After changing the battery, the display will come very late. Don't worry about this. Just wait for the display. Because without the battery, all the motherboard becomes empty from the electricity. So after connecting the battery, it first take enough electricity inside, then give display. Now you can see the display is there, and it will give an error of CMOS because in newer models of the laptop, CMOS little battery is not coming. This big battery is doing the work of CMOS battery. Okay, Windows is loading. Battery we will check. 69% already charged. So let's remove the charger cables to check if the battery is holding the laptop. Hold on. Yes, good enough. So let's discharge the battery to 30%. Right now this is 70%, so I will not put it on charging. Let's discharge it to 30%, then again we will charge it full. Okay, so this is how you can replace the battery of HP Omen gaming laptop 15 ek100. I hope this video will help those who wants to change the battery of this laptop. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye bye.